Andrea, and we're going to be giving you a craft at the St. George Library for the month of November. For the month of November, you're going to get to create thankful turkey journals. And what you're going to do inside of these journals is write what you're thankful for. So we're going to make a little book. The first thing you're going to take out is going to be the paper bag. All of the materials that you need are going to be in this bag along with the instructions, no worries. So here's your paper bag. And the next thing I'm going to pull out is going to be this rubber band and a jumbo wooden stick. So you're trying to make this secure by wrapping it around twice. We're going to try to stick this rubber band through these little holes. It's going to be a little tricky, but we're going to try. Pull it best you can all the way down to the bottom. So it comes out this side, comes to the bottom, and goes up through these holes at the bottom. So it came up, and then I'm going to try to wrap it around the wooden stick again. Once, twice. All right. There's that. Next, you have to make a turkey face, of course, because it's a turkey journal. So we're going to get out, not the tail feathers, we're going to get out the beak and the turkey waddle and the googly eyes. One googly eye, two googly eyes, you can shake them if you feel like it, and the glue stick. First thing I'm going to glue down is going to be that turkey waddle. Can you do a turkey face with me like this? Turkey waddle, turkey face, and here's that. Just do that on there. Might should have used a little bit more glue, depending on how dried out your glue stick may be. And going to glue the beak on there, of course. Because what's a turkey without a beak, right? There is that. And we're going to do the googly eyes. I think I might have to use a lot of glue for those googly eyes because they have a little more weight. They're a little heavier. And I'm afraid of them falling off when I turn my brown paper bag around. If that does happen, you can always do the back side of the turkey journal first and then turn it over and do the front side. But hopefully this will work okay. Might put just a little more on there. Now we have our crazy turkey eyes. I've got one eye up and one eye down, but there's the face. Doing good so far. You're going to turn it to the back, and you get to decorate with feathers. And we are going to give you some construction paper feathers, but you could also use cardstock, magazine pages, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to just do a hole glue across the top here, and then I'm going to put some glue on each tail feather because I really want to make sure that it sticks well. You can do this in whichever color order you like. I've got red. Here's my red. I have yellow already there. Got some orange. Maybe another red. And another orange. I think my tail feathers are looking perhaps more lopsided than your tail feathers will look. But we do what we can. And another yellow one. Let's turn this around and see how it looks. Let's That's not too bad, but I still forgot one more thing. We have to put the cardstock over it because that's going to help these tail feathers to stay. So I'm going to put some glue on each side of this cardstock. You may get a cardstock that looks like mine, or you may get a different looking cardstock. It's going to be a surprise. By the way, all the wattles and beaks are also different sizes, so you never know what you're going to get in this bag. Keeps it exciting. Going to glue each side of this, and in the middle, like that. Going to put some glue on here too. Because I just want to be super sure that the cardstock stays on here. And now, stick it on. Press down the sides. Adjust however you may need to adjust. And there you have your turkey journal. You got your face. That's the end there. You're going to write in these pages. Like you said, we've got a lot of pages to write on. And here's the turkey tail feathers and the back. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and be sure to come and get your Thankful Turkey Journal before they run out. First come, first serve. Have a great day. Bye-bye.